Hello, thank you so much for joining me. Today we are going to do some foam rolling. Now, foam rolling is one of those things that is so painful, but so good for you. So hang in there with me. I personally have not done any type of foam rolling in probably a good couple months, so I will be right there with you. So grab your foam roller and let's dive right into it. So we're going to start by placing the foam roller down and we're going to start working those glutes. So right away, I want you to think about sitting on your foam roller, nice and tall, and we're just gonna start to roll and rock that booty back and forth. Now, right away, if you're like me, I feel knots, okay? So it's definitely getting in there. Now, if this is good, we can stay here. But if we're looking to go a little bit deeper, maybe into that side glute, I'm gonna have you lean over, so you're on that side glute, and put that leg up, and then really start rolling into it. Now you can keep rolling. However, if you feel like there's a spot, maybe a knot where it's really tender, I'm gonna have you stop and really just allow it to sink in. We're trying to break up that knot and really just start to loosen up any of that tension. I'll start to kind of rock back and forth, side to side, really feeling that. Amazing. Now we got to do the second side here. So same idea, we're going to roll over a little bit, place that foot up and over, and then just start rolling into it. Amazing. Once again, just kind of stop. If it feels comfortable, I say comfortable, but you know what I mean. It's not comfortable, but if it feels attainable, go ahead and stop. Really find that spot where that knot is, that pressure point, and just let your body just kind of melt into it. Fantastic. Okay, from here, we just did those glutes, so we're gonna get into your quads. So I'm gonna have you lay on your foam roller, and we're gonna start right below the hip bones. So laying on your foam roller right again below the hip bones. Arms are gonna be in an 11 shape, and we're gonna start army crawling. So I'm gonna have you army crawl up, allowing that foam roller to roll all the way just to that point where you're about to hit that kneecap. We never want it to go actually on the kneecap. So stopping and then coming up once again right to that point where you're about to hit those hips. And just rolling here. Taking this nice and slow. Now, same idea, if there's a point where you're feeling a knot or that extra bit of tension, just hang out, go to your happy place, find your zen. Amazing. Okay, from here, we're gonna stay where we are, but I just want you to think about turning out. So what I mean by that is think about sticking your heels out and rotating everything out so that we're getting more into those inner thighs. Sorry, my nose is running. Allergy season, love it. Oh yeah, I'm feeling it. Okay, from here, we're gonna get the sides of our legs. This one is always the most painful one for me. So we're gonna lie on our side, and same idea here, we're just crawling up. Oh yeah, and then coming back down. Oh my God. Holy moly. This is why you need to do this more frequently. It won't be as terrible. Hurts so bad. Okay. That's literally all I can handle. If you can do more, amazing. Stay there. I'm going to the other side. I promise you, if you do this frequently, you're not going to feel so much of that pain. Woo-wee. Okay, this side's not as bad. Still brutal, but no, I lied. It's bad. Find that spot, hold on to it. Okay, yep, that's it for me. Again, if you can stay longer, please do. Okay, from here, we're gonna lie on our backs. So placing your foam roller in a straight line. And then I want you to think about lying straight down so your tailbone, your spine, and your head is flush against your foam roller. Now your arms are gonna splay out, palms up, and we're really working here on opening up through that chest. Now this one, there's no movement, so we're just gonna hold here and breathe. This one's really, really good, especially if we're hunched over on our phones, on the computer. Really feeling that stretch, that opening. Taking some deep breaths. Okay, from here, we're gonna start to move our arms, and I just want you to think about bringing them up above your head and then slowly bringing them all the way down, up, and down. We'll do it one more time. And oh yeah, it feels so good. This one I do try to do as frequently as I can because it just really helps open up through my pecs. Okay, couple more moves. These ones, to me at least, feel good. So we're gonna go ahead and rotate your foam roller and then remove your hair, or move your hair, I should say, don't remove it. Go ahead and, let me make sure my microphone's not getting smashed. Crisscross your hands. I want you to think about pulling open your wings, and then we're just gonna start to rock, getting into that upper back. Once again, if we're feeling any bit of tension, just stop, let it hang out, melt into it. Make sure you're breathing. From here, we're gonna go ahead and set that booty down. Hands are gonna come behind our head, elbows are nice and wide, and we're gonna gently push that neck down into your chest. And then reverse it open. Think about just completely collapsing over your foam roller. And then one more time. Opening up. Amazing. We survived. So definitely start doing this more than once every couple months like I did. I promise you, the more you do it, not only the better for you because you're breaking up all of those knots, helping with that blood flow, but it's also going to be less intense, less painful. So go ahead and like, subscribe, and I will see you again on the mat very soon.